Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 7800 XT gaming 16G and then hit enter. After that search your graphic card on this website. It will take some time and totally depend about your internet. After that click on the product and this is your graphic card. Click on it and then click on support and select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. So this is your driver and this is version, this is size, this is date, this is download icon. When you click to download it will start downloading, you can see, and then click on download. And after it is completed and depend about your internet speed, after it click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed, then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing, it will take some time and it is completed all driver, then restart your system.